As a front-end developer, my expertise in React.js, Tailwind CSS, and JavaScript allow me to create a fast and responsive website. My ability to integrate API and optimize user interface make me a strong fit for this role. Talking about my hobbies, I love to play badminton. Apart from that, unprofessional life, talking about my professional life, I love to read technology-driven newspapers or the articles, and I also love to do experimenting, designing on the websites which are coming on the trend. For me, professional success is about continuous learning and growth, and how much value I bring to the team and the project I am working upon. My weekday typically starts by planning my tasks on that day, coding in majorly, and start with the and also balancing my work life balance and playing is giving some spare time to playing some indoor game and the outdoor games, and also practicing or designing the website user interface which is coming into trend, and continuously doing for that day. And at the end of that day, I practice what went I was able to do, and what I was miss about the deadline. And if I miss about the deadline, I work more on the and that for the next day, that this task was not completed on that particular day, so I work on the next day and completing it to the perfectionist and complete on the next couple of days. Weekend is the most expensive or the most precious time for the me. I get the time to spend with my family, go out with them and spend time with them and enjoy every moment. And also I also play games or the some indoor and outdoor games to make me entertainment. And one of the biggest appreciation I got was when I qualified IT examination of class 10, and I was the IT topper for my school, and it was in one of the top 1% of India, and I qualified with around 96%, and which the IT examination which consists of that HTML, CSS, and my SQL part, and some parts of the XML part. And I was very good at it. My curiosity about the front-end development start from that particular that standard. That's all. One of the biggest criticism I got was I worked late night. Means I spend more and more time and doing means something I love to do. Means I spent more time which make my work life balance little bit imbalance, and I work very late at the night, and which is very harmful for my health. And for that my reason, my parents also criticize in that major area. My family consists of 5 members: my father, my mother, and younger brother and sister. And talking about my father is an employee, and he is working in the associate field. So he's only the working or the earning source for our family. He's very working hard to earn some good amount of money to spend on our education and livelihood. And talking about my mother is a housewife, and it's, and she's the only who take care of our food and clothing and etc. And talking about my brother and sister, my younger sister, she's studying in class 10. And talking about my younger brother, he's also pursuing engineering he's currently in the first year of the BTech degree. And he after that, Binaryfolk is a SaaS product or the SaaS startup which is working on for the client and providing user custom software development. Means meeting websites and the apps for the clients which working or the abroad in the USA, Netherlands, and etc. And it is means designing the website according to the client. I want to join Binaryfolks to improve my skills in the role of front end development, be it very detailed oriented and professionally in the field of front end developer. Also, and expanding my network to the foreign clients and working for them, what are their requirements, and be gaining experience from all of that. Huh. In coming next 2 years, I will like to be a lead for the front-end developer roles, and I will be mentoring my juniors in more detail oriented what are the technologies they need to learn. And in the coming 5 years, I would like to be learn a full stack development and contributing in the whole the front-end and the back-end domain. And in the next coming 10 years, I would like to be start my own ventures. Yeah. I would like to work in work from home rather than work from office, as uh, being in the family or the being at the home, it allow me the flexible timing. I not spend more time on the cooking and the clothing, and it's taken by my mother, and it will allow me to do my work more productivity. And also that's all. Okay. My dream city would be Kolkata, West Bengal, and because Kolkata is the nearest to my hometown, which is Jamshedpur, and it will allow my flexibility to my home. Whenever I feel I can come back to the home. And also Kolkata is also emerging as a tech giant or the tech city in the next coming years, and it will be expanding more. The main purpose of the product is the online presence, online visibility, and improving the ranking or the reviews in the Google Maps. And it's also enhance means the customers gains the traffic, or the if the customer searches for the mercenary, then that product A comes on the top of the search engine. So the main USP of the product A is that optimizing search engine or improving SEO, automated SEO, so that it comes in the top of the search result, and it get more and more traffic to their business. And it's a highly valued company when a customer searches for any merchant in the town. The main features of the product is that SEO optimization means optimizing the SEO result, enhancing that particular keyword that coming in the Google search result. And Google review management means reviewing that particular company or the organization on the Google Maps or the Google, and which has the higher ranking is suggested to the customer, and which has the lower ranking it is suggested that is not suitable for that. That means less preferable, and which have the higher rating that is preferred by everyone and in the town. And third is the Google Map integration, and with the integration of Google Map, it is easier for the business and the organization to keep the track of the where the organization is located, so they can go to that organization or call that organization. uh, and and next is the competition analysis. Competition analysis, it also gives the competition analysis, which of the company is more competent, and that's this organization with real-time analysis. And next is the lead generation. It also gives the lead generation to the various organic or inorganic traffic generation through organic, that's like YouTube, Instagram, and other social media platforms. And inorganic search results include like the running a Google ads or the Facebook ads or the all other ad platforms. And there are various affiliate products where we can host our product on that website, like JVJU and the ClickBank. And next is the analytic dashboard. Here in the analytic dashboard, where you will get everything from starting. You will be get the real-time analysis, competition analysis, what are the search result, what is the duration of the search result within 1 hour, or which of the organization is giving more and more reviews and which is lagging in the behind, what the customer is more interested in, all of the product, and the step-by-step journey of a that what we say journey of a super admin, the main user or the controller of that organization. First is the login and the dashboard access. Super admin logs in and views overall system analysis. And second is the user management adds or removes company admins or assigns roles. And next is the SEO and reputation settings, means defining ranking system to a particular organization, and keyword strategies and performance tracking, monitors new business which all are coming and which are giving, means which all are performing well in the field and which are performing low in the field. And next is the review monitoring, which are giving which are getting more and more reviews and which are getting the low reviews. And if are getting more and more reviews, what are the factors, what are the reason behind that? And if you're getting the low reviews, what are the factors, reasons behind that? And next is the automated reports and alerts, what are the reports or the fraudulent activities associated with the that system. Next is the customer support and the maintenance, means providing a customer support and maintenance is very important for that particular organization of the company, because without the maintenance nobody can, means scale up to the business. And now comes the step-by-step journey of a subscribing super admin. First is the sign up and the profile setup, means registers business details, location and the services which are they are offering, keyword selection and SEO setup. Then comes the Google reviews, integration, and then come the monitor dashboard, monitoring the dashboard to track search ranking or the accounts for the review tracking. Next comes the competition benchmarking, which all the business are performing well. Step by step user journey of a subscribing company admin. First is the sign up and the setup, means register the company details, location and the services. Then the keyword and the SEO tools, means improving the search results, search ranking. Then comes the Google reviews and integration, which all giving the Google reviews to that particular organization. Next come the monitor dashboard, where we keep track record of every organization which are performing well or good. Then comes the automated review system, that based on the past experience of the user they get the automated reviews. Then the lead management, using the organic and inorganic source for the lead generation. Step by step of a user journey of a end user. First the user signups for that mercenary or searches for that mercenary. Then the few of the results is shown on the Google result, and that user search and which of the product or the mutual mercenary is good, which have the higher ranking or the have a good review. And good review means out of a 9 out of 10, and getting a positive response from the user, what all they are writing, what were they wrong with that organization, and what are their culture or their request. Yeah, a binary fork experience from idea to a reality. Uh, Many of the CTO or the CEO or the founder experience various many difficulties in starting a startup or the something. This is the website development, Android app development, and the custom software for their business needs, and inefficiency or inaccuracy results, which hampers their business. And that binary fork helps them to develop a custom software for them to improve their efficiency to a great level, and also improving their business scaling up. Instead of the traditional corporate like presentation, improving a new traditional life, means approaching the new business or the new clients for their business need. First is the opening their pain point, means what are they are lagging behind and what are their business is lacking in the field. Second is discovery of the binary folk, how the binary folk will be helpful for them, and what are the custom software and what are their requirements, how they will be helpful there for them. And second is the development process. After all of the discussion, and the binary folk will work upon that custom software as per their requirement of the client, that these features would be added in my business. So binary folks work on that and make the business according to their client. The low level suggestion for the binary fork, that why us, why the binary fork, why not the others? Because the binary fork improve the gives the custom software development while simplifying. The USP is more engaging way, means the others understanding the pain point or the user requirement, clients requirements, and developing the software according to the clients, and what are the business is lagging behind, and what are they are facing, and improving on that, improving and developing software according to that, and also scaling up their business and improving their outreach. For reaching to the client, we can use the LinkedIn, cold emailing, industry specific online communities, or the developer, or the X profiles, to connecting with the clients, and driving the opportunity. For the approach, we can use the account based targeting, which has the high revenue. We can target, we can use the cold email for the different, and which have the lower revenue. We can use the different or the various pain points of the industry, and use the problem solution messaging, what are the problems they are encountering, or why the business is lagging behind with the other businesses, and what are the possible solution to the that problem. And second is the referral based outreach, using the new goals or the new technologies driven to enhance the content and the tone. We can use the cold emails, LinkedIn messages, and for cold email messages, and the case studies or the success stories which are gained from the binary folk after receiving their the service from our business, and how they are reached to that level. For the outreach medium, we can use the LinkedIn or the SEO, LinkedIn thought leadership, YouTube, and conducting YouTube videos, and the webinars, and Quora and Reddit we can use for the outreach medium, connecting to the client. We can use the free value, lead nature, comparison content, how your business is lagging behind, or with these features, and with adding this feature, your business can be grow to this level. And targeting yeah, we can use the low cost LinkedIn ads, and the Quora ads, and various other Google Trends ads, and we can also use the how this business or the how this company has lost money with taking that service or the SaaS service, instead of taking the custom software development service, and it has lost a huge amount of money or invested, so that their business would be go to that level, but they are lagging behind. Shortlisting 1M companies to the 200 companies. First is the industry filtering, means with what all are the industries we are going to the connect with the clients, that be it a food, FMCG, and other etc. And the second is the company size, how the big is the company, what is the revenue sources, and next is the text analysis, means what are the text they are working on, and what are their requirements, and how can they improve their business needs. And we use of Shopify, Wix, and other software they are using, and how the binary fault can be useful for them.